Fasteners are used to join spare parts together with the help of different devices. Introduction. Fasteners are used to join two or more than more than two parts together is called fasteners. Fasteners are example, nut and bolts are used to join two parts together. Like that, many other devices are there to join. Example, nut, bolt, welding, and soldering. Example, this nut and bolt fastener is called temporary fastener. Temporary fastener. And welding is called permanent fastener. Soldering is called semi permanent or semi temporary. The riveting also is a permanent and permanent fastener. Example, nut and bolt. With this, we can join two parts together with the nut and bolt. Whenever you doesn't want to join these two flaps together, you can unscrew the nut and we can separate the parts. And when you want to join the same pieces together again with the help of nut bolt, same nut bolt can be used. Means whenever you want, whenever you doesn't want, you can join and you can dismantle it. And the same metal, this is a nut and bolt is a parent metal which is used to join these two flaps. This nut bolt can be used for another spare parts to fit, and this can be used for this also. That's why this nut and bolt system in fasteners, it is called temporary fastener. Whenever you want, you can dismantle and join again. Now, permanent fastener, that is welding, riveting. Example, when you join two parts, spare parts with welding, means when after doing welding, this is arc welding. Now, when you want to dismantle these two flaps separately, here in the nut and bolt system we are using to join these two flats nut bolt. Here we are using electrode for welding. Now, when you doesn't want this joint, if you want to dismantle, we cannot dismantle as easy as the nut and bolt system. Now, if you want to dismantle this flat, you have to grind or cut with hacksaw something else we use machine. By removing the material we cut. So in this system what happening? The flag which you join gets spoiled when you cutting, grinding, or by other method how you like to remove it. And you lose the parent metal which is electrode. Electrode which you use will not get back. The parent metal will go waste. So when if you want to dismantle, the two separate parts are getting damaged, you are losing the parent metal. Electrode is parent metal. Parent metal. So that's why when you are removing this, material is getting spoiled. That's why it's called a permanent fastener that includes welding. Now we'll go for riveting. When you want to join two thin sheets with a rivet, you want to dismantle it. You have to grind the head at both the sides. When you grind the head on both the sides, tail side and formed tail head side and head side, when you remove the material, the sheet will get spoiled due to grinding both the sheets, and rivet after grinding we can remove the sheet separate. And the piece rivet what is left we cannot use for further joining this one. So here the parent metal is rivet. This rivet is called parent metal. This parent metal after removing this rivet, this remaining portion we cannot use to join the sheet. That's why the welding and the riveting is called permanent fastener. Now soldering. Soldering. You might have known the soldering in the radio shops, in the electronic system where they join the two resistors together by the soldering. To join this one, as arc welding they are not joining, they are joining using the soldering iron, using lead, flux, paste, and they are joining this metal. Whenever they doesn't want, they can dismantle by soldering, and again they can join with the same parent metal. With the same parent metal. So the parent metal can be used how many times if you want to dismantle it, assemble it, dismantle it, assemble it. Now what is the difference between the permanent fastener and semi-permanent? Soldering is a semi-permanent fastener or semi-temporary. It can be called as semi-permanent or semi-temporary. When you dismantle these two resistance with the help of soldering iron, same parent metal, same resistance you can use, and number of times you can join it. Number of times you can join it. But if you compare these both fastening devices, welding is having more strength and more rigidity and no leakages. Whereas in soldering, what you join due to the less heat, the joint will get weakened and get split into two pieces. Sometimes the continuity of passing electron systems will obstruct. It will not continually pass. So these three are the fasteners which are using in the engineering industry in the different methods. Nut and bolts, in the place of nut and bolts, we can use in the temporary nut and bolts, we can use keys pins, keys, pins, quarters, and example. If you see your cycle is mainly is assemble all the parts together with the help of nut and bolts, keys, pins, and quarters. In the same way, in the fabrication works, bridges and ship industries, they use arc welding, which works in effective way. The solving is either the temporary or the permanent joint. You can joint and you can use the same parent method. In the both temporary fastener you can use, but in permanent fastener you cannot use.